open your Facebook app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then hit the gear icon at the top right. Under Audience and Visibility, tap How People Can Find and Contact You. This section is where you can make your profile virtually invisible. For who can send you friend requests, choose Friends of Friends. For who can see your friends list, select Only Me. Under the options for who can look you up using your phone number or email, set both to No One so Facebook won't suggest your profile to others. Make sure search engines outside of Facebook are not allowed to link to your profile. Turn that off as well. Lastly, under Message Requests, you can choose Don't Receive Requests to block people from contacting you. With all of these settings adjusted, your Facebook profile is now practically invisible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.